guys, so today I will be doing a what's in my bag, and this one is going to be work edition. I don't carry a lot of things in my bag plainly because it's so heavy to begin with. I don't want to like put a lot of stuff in it because then I'll have like a dislocated shoulder and nobody really wants that. Yeah, let me get my bag. Oh, damn. Okay. This is what my bag looks like. Is a off-white and black faux leather one, and it has like a snake or crocodile. Yeah, so the off-white portion is actually crocodile texture faux leather, and the black one is just plain leather. It has a zipper in the front, and it actually doesn't have any pockets on the inside, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. It has this humongous sort of a pouch that you can take out with when you unbuckle it. That's the only sort of bifurcation between the bag, and the bag is forever open, by the way, like that. So it's never going to be closed, which is not a nice thing when you travel in the metro, but I'm very like 007 when it comes to traveling in the metro, so I till date have not had any bad experience. So yeah, so the first pocket is here, this one. First thing I have is Coffee Bite. I love Coffee Bite. It literally gives you the zing if you are feeling sleepy. It's just like coffee in your mouth. So I always have like 2 or 3 of these, like these big packets in my bag. I'm only left with one. I'm actually left with only one inside this one. I just eat one. Nom nom nom. Oh my god, I love Coffee Bite. Okay, so the second thing is this really cute brass container. I think it's supposed to keep your sindoor and stuff for women. I got this from this place that sells only vintage or like, you know, old looking things. So I got this for 150 bucks from there. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description box, or I'll try to find the name out and tell you guys. And I just put like breath mints in this because the Altoid box was like too big and this one is the right size. Sometimes when you're really sleepy in the morning, you just need seriously strong 4 or 3 mints in your mouth and you're like, bam, you wake up. The first thing in my bag is my laptop, which is this ginormous thing right here. It's really big. It's like laptop is quite huge. It's about 15.6 inches, so most of the weight in the bag is this right here. Second thing in my bag is the wires for the laptop, because you know laptops don't run on themselves all the time. After that, I also have this cute chotu pouch which is attached to a chain, and I have inside I have my Metro card, which is standard Metro card. Then I also have some hand sanitizer. This one is in strawberry. And I have a Color Bar mascara because my niece puts stuff in my bag because it's open, so she just goes like, you know, secretive. She's 2 years old, so she's a little secretive. Then I have some wrappers of Cadbury shots that I had because I wanted to get gems and they don't have gems, so I got Cadbury shots. Then I just have a handkerchief because I sometimes sweat a lot, so I just want to like go dab 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 dab. Then I got 100 bucks in my bag. That's random, I know, but yeah. And in this sort of like a pouch, you can actually take this pouch out, which is the cool thing about it. You can just you know, like clip it out. You can just clip it out like that, and you can take the whole pouch out, which is what I really like about it. You can separate this pouch from the bag. That's what I like about it, because I can put all of my you know, possessions in this and just the laptop in the bag. When I open this, the first thing in this again is a Cadbury milk, Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut, because I love chocolates and I eat them. And also I was a little sick, so I needed like a lot of calories at one go, so I ate this. Guilty face. I have a sanitary napkin because it's important, because we are women and we leak sometimes. There's nothing to be ashamed about it. Sanitary napkin, sanitary napkin, sanitary napkin. And then I have my wallet. It's the same one as the last one, I think. Yeah, I've had this for a long time. I don't generally change wallets unless they break down or they can't carry the things that I carry any longer with them. Standard wallet. I got this from Forever New. It's just like a lavender crocodile finish. I'm not obsessed with crocodile finish faux leather, believe me. I don't know, like I just like lavender, and Forever New had a sale. Because of the fact that my bag gets really heavy, I travel in the metro. I have my bag on this side, and you know, the metro has like crazy amounts of crowd. I tend to carry not a makeup bag because, let's be honest, nobody's gonna apply makeup in the middle of the day when they're in office. I mean, if you do that, it's fine. I don't. Also, I just carry like the small stuff. So I just carry this Kama Ayurveda pure rose water. This is a small version. I got this for about 180 or 170. I don't really remember, but it's quite nice. You just take it out, you spray it. It has spray on the top. So whenever I feel like a little too like, I spray it on my face. Sometimes it makes me sleepy, sometimes it refreshes. It totally depends on what exactly you're going for. Then I have my strawberry lip balm by the Body Shop, and it looks like this because I kind of left it in my trouser, and after washing it I realized this was in it. The last two things that I have in this is this Pout in a Pot by Colorbar. It's basically like a lip glossy thing. It's a lipstick lip gloss. It has a brush and you open it like that. It has a mirror as well. It's really cool. This color really looks nice on my lips, so I have it. The last thing in my bag is something that I got recently from Avon. They sent it to me to try. I have it on my lips right now. I will be reviewing it. Let me use it for a little while. So I have this in my bag because it's a nice pretty pink. Whenever I have to go to any event right after work, or just, you know, if I have to go in the middle of the day or just anything, I can always apply this. It's really nice, it's really pretty. So it's one of those twisty cappy thingies. So I have that's the last thing in my bag. Empty. If you have any other questions or video requests, you can always leave them in the comments box below, or you can ask me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram by using hashtag DelhiFashionBlogger. Do subscribe to my channel for new videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also view 2 of my previous videos by clicking on them.